Hello everyone, this is Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney here to help you navigate the complex world of immigration. Today, I want to discuss what is on everyone's mind when they apply for a fiancé visa, which is what will happen at the interview. So first, understand what type of interview this is. This is a consular interview held at the U.S. consulate in your fiancé's home country, conducted by a consular officer. They are the ones that will make the ultimate decision of whether or not to grant this visa to your fiancé. This is not an interview that will occur behind closed doors inside an office. And even though the main purpose of this interview is to make sure that you and your fiancé are in a true and valid relationship, it is not meant to be an interrogation. However, even though it's not an interrogation, you must still be prepared with both your documents and your answers. So, here is what your interview will look like on the day of your appointment. When you receive your interview notice from the consulate, you will also receive a list of all the documents you must bring with you in a checklist. And you'll receive other instructions such as how to create an account to schedule your fingerprinting appointment and also how to schedule your passport delivery. It is very important that you closely follow these instructions and read everything these documents say. You must bring with you every single document that the consulate requests. On the day of your interview, you will have to check in with security, and usually you'll have to go through 2 levels of consular officers. The first officer will usually check over your documents to make sure that all the required documents are present. And if it is not, you may not be allowed to have your interview conducted. But if everything is okay and everything is there, then you should be allowed to proceed further inside the consulate to the waiting area for your actual interview. So, remember that I said that your interview will not be behind closed doors? You may be surprised to learn that the consular officers will sit behind a glass wall just like a bank teller at a bank. You will have to stand during your interview and speak to the officer through a hole in the glass, and any paperwork that you have will need to be pushed through a slot to the other side. You will probably hear other officers conducting interviews for other visas with other people, but trust me, your focus needs to stay on your own interview with your own consular officer. The officer will begin the interview by asking for your DS-160 confirmation page, which they will then scan to pull up your visa application. Then they will ask you for all of your documents, whatever they believe is necessary to properly interview you. At this point, they will also start asking you questions. Once your interview is finished, you will be told by the officers whether you are approved or not. If you are denied, you will be given a document listing why you've been denied. If you've been approved, then you'll receive your passport back with the actual visa foil inside it within 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how you've chosen your passport to be delivered. If you want to learn more about the actual questions that may be asked at the fiancé visa interview, tune in next week because that's what I'm going to go over. And if you've been nervous about going to a visa interview before, leave me a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed watching, please subscribe to this channel and please hit that notification bell so that you can be notified of our latest videos. This is Moumita Rahman, the immigration attorney helping you navigate the complex world of immigration. If you want to hire me and create an extraordinary partnership with an attorney who cares and who will be with you every step of the way, give us a call and set up a consultation. See you next week. This video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. For proper legal advice on your case, please call us to set up a consultation.